VOGDUO, the leading Apple accessory brand. Introducing the VOGDUO handmade iPhone 12 leather stand and the VOGDUO AirPods Pro leather case. They're the ultimate companions for your favorite Apple products. The iPhone 12 leather stand is foldable and lightweight for portability. It keeps your accessories organized for both indoor and outdoor activities. The stand is compatible with iPhone devices 6 and up. Now you can watch your favorite movies or TV shows while sipping your latte. The AirPods Pro leather case is the only accessory you need to keep those tiny Apple AirPods safe and secure. You will never have to dig through the bag or the room before rushing out again. You can even attach it to your bag or your jeans with the belt loop or detachable keychain. Our Apple accessories look great anywhere. With delicate craftsmanship, they gracefully make your lifestyle neat and classy. Both accessories come in a range of colors. If we meet our stretch goals, we'll create some even more colorful options. VOGDUO is an established brand that has sold hundreds of thousands of products and has a 5-star Amazon rating. We're one of the few brands making Italian genuine leather accessories for Apple devices. So grab your iPhone stand or AirPods Pro case today.